Okay, here we are back with another 3D printed idler pulley. I believe this one is 90 or 100% infill. Can't remember which one. It's got some speed holes in there, but they shouldn't affect anything. I also went and made this wire belt guide. Credits to Creepy Crawler for that idea. No idea if it'll work. You guys are gonna find out with me. I suspect that the idler pulley will just act like a normal idler pulley. There's no reason for it to come apart, but you know. Hey, life's full of surprises. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it acts like a normal idler pulley. Not really any wear on it, but there's not really a lot of tension on this belt, so, you know. I suppose I'll make a video when it explodes and I'll tell you about how long I thought it lasted. But I suspect it'll be a good while. So look at this nonsense, right? Another example of where one belt keeper makes all the difference. Just that right there. All it would take. Simple as.